Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this device. First, we need to open the menu, and to do it, simply press and hold the up/menu button. Once you open the menu, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the option called connectivity. This one. Select it, then press the start/stop button. Here, scroll down, select Wi-Fi, and press the start/stop button. Now, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. So make sure that the status is on. Then scroll down, select the option called My Networks, and press the start/stop. And here we have the networks that we are connected to already, this one, and we can also add new networks basically. So we can select Add Networks, and this will start looking for the nearby Wi-Fi networks. We can select one from the list, for example this one, then press the start/stop, and now we need to enter the password. And we can do it with the keyboard right here. So give me a couple of seconds. Once you enter the password and confirm it, it should start connecting to the network. And as you can see, connection successful. And now we have two networks on the list right here. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. And to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, simply open this My Networks menu, select one from the list right here, press the start/stop button, scroll down, and at the bottom you have the remove option. Press the start/stop button to remove it, then press yes, or select yes and press the start/stop to confirm. And the Wi-Fi network will be gone, and it will disconnect from your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.